Show me that smile again.
Show me that smile.
Don't waste another minute on your crying.
Moon cow's probably had enough. I had enough of me. Come on, moon cow. You want to get out this way or you want to get out the other way? He's kind of lounging in the back there.
Looks like he's just ready to chill.
Sacked out. Come on. Come on. I'll help you here. There you go. Just
Yeah.
like that. Moo cow's first taxi ride.
How was that, Moo Cow?
Hey everybody, sorry we didn't do an intro on this one. We kind of had a long night last night, woke up late, and then went right back to hammering on this thing. We got her about 80% sanded. Cody's got the epoxy on the trunk lid around the fin, and we should be finishing up wet sanding tomorrow. We ran into some majors. If you can see this front end that's in front of you, it's pretty bad. We're going to try better tomorrow and show you guys more of our day and stuff like that. Should be a lot more exciting, a lot less than just wet sanding. It's kind of boring. I don't know what's up with that dude with his hair again. He's just weird. That's all I got, so you got anything?
I do not.
Didn't figure he did. He's usually not full of much information. We're tired and we'll see you tomorrow. So check out what we did.
That, I knew that was going to. You can see that haze in there. That was usually from here. Keep him up. Let in. Let in. Let in. Let in.